my channel about the SolidWorks tutorial that I've been doing. So let's get started with another solid tutorial. That is, I had to do something like a ductile iron fittings. That is an elbow. That is about 4-inch size. So let's get started with sketch and into the front plane. Okay, let's do some line from here to here and here to here, and select and then measure it at 4 inch. And then regenerate and then save. Usually the documentaries, I check it out first and then check out the units. The units is in inch right there, so click OK and now make sure dimension it at 4 inch. Click regenerate and get out of the box. Okay, they are now at 4 inch and 4 inch. And then let's do some sketch fillet. That is, let's say, 2 inch as the radius of the fillet parameters, where this is the one and also this one. So you see that there is a yellow arc that has been made because I had to play it in order to make it a round elbow. Okay, now they're round, and then let's go out of the dialogue sketch fillet. And then let's get out of the dialogue box, and I want to make a plane. I choose the first reference of this one, and the second reference will be the point. So click OK. The line on this one, and then the second reference. You don't need the third reference anymore. You just do a 2, so it produces a plane. And then let's go and draw a sketch onto this area. So let's do the drawing. So let's do something like measure the circle to 4 inch. Now it's 4 inch. And let's do the another circle, or offset the entities. So let's offset this one to 0.25. Okay, now let's do some a sweep boss base with this to sweep this profile, and the path will be right here. So you can see it automatically preview the sweep boss solid. So let's do some closing of the sweep boss. Now it becomes now what do you call that, an elbow 90 degree. Now let's do some sketch on that lip. So let's do some sketch, and then let's do some edge stop. Dimension it as 5. Get out of the dimension, and then click the inside part as to converted entities. Now use the picture and extrude to 0.25 or more. Let's do something like 1. Okay. Now extrude that 1, and then chamfer it to 0.25 or 0.125 as 1/8. You can see there's a preview that is been chamfered. Okay, let's do another one that is sketch again on that area. That's the lips, and then make a circle, and then I dimension it at 5.5, and get out the dimension, and then convert these lips on the inside part. So now extrude it by 1, or let's say 1.5, and click OK. And let's do some chamfer again. Same as the size, 0.125 as the 1/8. Now you can see that it's automatically, and then let's do some more play of 0.125 on here, and here. Okay. Let's do the same as here on the other side. So let's sketch that one. It's 5, and then we'll get out of dimension. Click that one and convert the entities. Click it, convert the entities, and then picture. That is, let's say 1, same as the other one, and merge, click, and then the other one here. Sketch, here also, .5, get out of the dimension and convert the entities right there, and then make extruded at 1.5, units is inch. And now we made the two at the same as that one. So let's do some chamfer on both of this one, and then let's do the fillet. Okay, and now it's done for a 90-degree ductile iron fittings. So let's do some material placement on the whole. Let's remove this one. Let's do the whole drawing. Let's do some rebuild first and then save it so we don't lose it. So 196. And now we do the material placement. Or let's go to the advance. Go to the advance, and the metal will be iron, copper. Let's go on another area that is the metal also. Let's see, you can see something like the steel as iron, carbon, poly, steel. Let's go to the poly steel. Or yeah, that's iron, poly steel. So let's go right there. And let it save. Okay. Let's do some rendering on this time. So let's do again. So let's see. Sorry for that. It's always like that. And see, its render has been complete, and it's really a nice plastic elbow 90-degree. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Thank you very much.